But today we're going to travel by intercity train in Sri Lanka. We booked our tickets online, clicked on the book your seat, selected the departure location, destination, date, number of passengers, and then picked the time of the train. We picked Intercity Express. And then we only ended up with second class reserved seats option, which was 1,050 rupees. And then once you fill in all the required fields, you get an email confirmation with your ticket. So Skanda and I are at Colombo Road train station. We're taking the intercity